In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can hide following list on your Instagram. So if you have checked some accounts recently, like there are some accounts when you try to click on their following list, when you click on it, like it doesn't really allow you to see their following list. And probably you are wondering how these people can do this. This is very quick and simple, guys. All you have to do is follow these exact steps and you will be able to do the same thing. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do to make this work is to, you want to go back and then you want to click 3 little lines in the top right. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways. The first way is like a popular way, like a lot of people say the same thing, but the second way, it's really like this is new update. Okay, this is the first video on YouTube that will talk about this. Now, the first way, guys, is to click on 3 little lines in the top right and then settings in the top, and then you want to click on privacy, and then you turn on private account. What happens when you turn on private account? Like nobody will be able to click on your following list or your followers list. Just toggle that on and nobody will be able to see that. Now, how you can do that without making the account private? Okay, that's a good question, guys. I am going to be showing you guys how you can do this now, but you have to follow the exact steps, guys, to make this work. Okay, now the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to click 3 little lines in the top right, and then you want to click settings in the top. But before I show you guys this method, it really worked, make sure to drop a like, guys, and subscribe to the channel. And if this worked, let me know in the comments, guys. Say like this worked so that other people will do the same steps. Okay, so let us know in the comments if it worked. Okay, now drop a like I said. Now the first thing, guys, you need to do is to click on help. Okay, where it says help. Now after that, guys, you want to click report a problem in the top. You don't need to report anything, just toggle this on where it says shake phone to report a problem. It says here shake phone to report a problem. Toggle this toggle this on. Now after guys you toggle this on, you want to just go back to your following list. Okay, click on your following list and then you want to shake your phone, just move it quickly like this. All right, now this will pop up after you shake your phone. This will pop up. You want to click on report a problem and make sure to click on include and continue. Okay, the first option. Now what you want to tell Instagram here: hi Instagram, I would like to hide my following list. This is personal and important to me. Okay, important to me, please help. Now that's all you need to do, guys, and you will get back to you within 24 hours. This is the only problem using this method, is it takes 24 hours. So please, guys, be patient and come back to this video within 24 hours. Now the first thing, guys, you need to do is to click send. Okay, make sure you click send in the top. And that's exactly, guys, how you can hide your following list on Instagram. You can do the same steps on your followers list if you want to hide followers list. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. Like I said, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel.